My project will be focusing on studying one of the chronic and common arthritis named ankylosing spondylitis. And then, so why do I want to study this disease? Because this is the second commonest arthritis in the UK. And then also it brings fatigue and then chronic back pain to the patients who suffer from the disease and affecting the work and life of those patients. And then although there are treatment being developed for the last 5 years to treat the disease, however, only about 50% of the patient achieve good response to the current treatment. So that's why it's an unmet clinical need, and that's why I want to work on this disease. In this project, we are going to look at all genes that are associated with disease at one time, rather than studying one gene at a time. And then this is quite different from a traditional approach that the community, including myself, have been using. And then to be able to do that, we will integrate multiple data sets, including the GWAS data set, so genetic association data set. Apart from that, we'll also integrate the gene expression profile of the T cells from the patient, not only blood, but also the joint fluid where the inflammation present. And then we look for the genes that are enriched in the patient or disease-specific cells. And then through this approach, we can identify a list of the genes that might be important for the disease. And then after that, we will use the disease-relevant cell types to perform a screening, a functional screening, to validate, to confirm the genes that are indeed regulating the disease-relevant cell types. Then after this stage, we'll come to the final stage, and actually the most exciting stage is to, with the list of the genes that we know are important in the disease and can be regulating disease-relevant cell types, then we will try to turn those genes into a novel therapeutic options for the patient. So that's the ultimate goal of this project. I would like to thank the funding body, Versus Arthritis, for funding this very exciting project.